Welcome to my YouTube channel. We're excited to have you here. Stay tuned for great content.
Top 4 Best New Collection RC Truck Review 2025.
Number 4.
PNP version, # the package includes 1/14 6x6 RC hydraulic dump truck model. Motor. Servo. ESC hydraulic system. Sound system. Light system. Warning lights. Hot RC 10ch remote controller and receiver.
Number 3.
Specification, brand, Lesu. Item condition, new, unassembled and unpainted. Scale, 1/10. Material, metal, rubber, plastic, wood. Vehicle size, 433 by 238 by 248 mm. ID, LSRA Z001. The package includes 1/10 unpainted and unassembled car model. 2-speed transmission. Winch.
Number 2.
Durable materials, constructed with robust plastic and metal, this RC military truck car withstands rugged off-road adventures. Assemble and paint, unleash your creativity by assembling and painting your RC military truck model to reflect your unique style. Ready for action, each RC military truck kit arrives with a motor, ensuring you're ready to roll right out of the box.
Number 1.
Product sell points. RC hydraulic dump truck hobby car radio control truck 1/14 scale metal chassis, features a robust 1/14 scale metal chassis for durability and realistic handling. Hydraulic dump functionality, equipped with a hydraulic system for realistic tipping action, enhancing play experience.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Takrim Media, for more exciting content. Thank you for watching.